Hi everybody. I know everybody is busy for the preparation of the New Year's Eve. It's a very challengeable time. First, I would like to say that thanks for our Lord, our God, that we passed very hard time, difficulties and challenges during 2020, and here we are, still healthy, surviving, so we are blessed. Being in Dubai, in United Arab Emirates, the country is blessed, everybody is blessed. Now we are approaching to a new transformation. In 2021, we are going to have a lot of new issues, new step in our life. To start with, our department, Wellness and Health, we are going to start a new program to challenge, which is based on the wellness, mental health, about the physical health, about the emotional and spiritual, or it's under one umbrella, including our digestive tract problems. So the program will be divided into two categories, and we are going to come very soon for the registration, so please tune with us. And my last point will be just enjoy, eat and enjoy and have fun. During New Year's, we'll enter in a very positive atmosphere starting very soon. We are in Open Mind Clinic. I'm Dr. Jane.